Your situation in town may be entirely different. Whatever works for you. I strongly suggest you include a cancellation clause, as well as have a certain percent of the bill be due before services are rendered. This kind of acts as, insurance. My first season, my wife and I only asked for reimbursement for gas, and we donated our time. We thought this would help get our name out. But it turned out a lot of people who we had handshake agreements with made us wait for extended periods of time because the party was running late, or, whatnot. They held the payment over us, the payment for gas. We had no contract to protect us, and the clients had no contract that could be enforced by us. But we had agreed and needed the gas money before we could go home. Not the best idea. Don't make that mistake. Your time is valuable. If you have spent months practicing, rehearsing, learning more, and upping your game as an entertainer, there is no reason why your skills and profession shouldn't be respected.